Hello, everyone, and welcome to the presentation of Owl Talk, also known as Cheese. This is the final project for Principles of Software Engineering at FAU, built by Anthony Pencione, Jonah Livingston, and Nicholas Child, that's me, and Tyler Doe. So, this is our team. Our Scrum Master was Anthony. He did a whole lot of work in terms of writing and presenting our projects. And then we had Jonah, who was our back end lead. He did a really great job trying to implement our databases. Nick Child, that's me. I did a horrible job. I'm, I'm just kidding. I was the product owner and tried to work on keeping things organized and making sure everyone was on track. And then Tyler Doe, who implemented all the visual aspects of our project. So, what was our purpose? Well, during quarantine, we saw the issue of FAU students not being able to socialize. So we wanted to make a social media site where they could talk freely and really get that college experience while staying at home. That's basically what we say here. Read more about it if you would like. So how did we go about making this product? So we knew we were going to have a database of some sort to keep track of the user data, and we chose that MySQL gave us the best resources for implementing that task. We had the FAU LAMP server, which we used to store all of our data on, and we used it to present our project. Through HTML, CSS, and PHP, we were able to physically create this software for it to run, and then we were able to get this working on all major browsers, including Firefox, Chrome, and Internet Explorer. So some major things we came across when making this was some of the functions we had in mind seemed to be far-fetched and difficult to implement within the time frame. And we were able to narrow down some of the specifications we wanted to implement into a few core features, which we will see shortly during the live demo. We were able to figure this out in a relatively quick amount of time because we knew we had to get started making the software very soon. So looking back, if we had to change something, I think we would spend more time trying to figure out what we actually wanted to implement before going ahead and building this product. And another issue we came across was learning how to work virtually. It was rather difficult at the beginning to communicate in terms of what each person was going to be working on, trying to figure out at what time people were going to be working on these things, and then how to actually build a software product without ever meeting the other people on your team in person. So we were able to learn skills through Trello and Discord and GitHub, which was another major software we use to help us stay connective and interactive during this process. So here's some images we have of our final working product. It's our home page. And then this is what a post block looks like. As you can see, we have a poster with their information and then comments. So now let's move on to our live demo. Thanks. Hello everyone, welcome to the presentation of Group 4's final project for the Principles of Software Engineering course at FAU. The members of this team are me, I'm Nick Child, Tyler Doe, Anthony Pencione, and Jonah Livingston. Together this summer we made Cheese, which is a social media site for FAU students to freely share their discussions during coronavirus and socialize during quarantine. So here's the homepage of our site. As you can see, we are not logged in currently, but we still can look at other people's posts. If we try to like other people's posts, nothing will happen because we're not logged in. Also, while we're not signed in, we can search other people with this People tab. So say I wanted to look up someone named Tyler. There he is. Our very own Tyler Doe. So what if I wanted to look up someone who's a CS major? These things will also come up. It will search all these categories location, major, hobbies, and their description, and of course their username. Additionally, we implemented a search posts page where if I wanted to search something where someone posted, I don't know, a test or something, that nothing comes up, which is good. Hopefully someone made something, said hey, and there you go. Our guy Forrest here has posted something. If we want to go look at Forrest's page, take us to the user page where it tells us his comments, his posts, and his information that he has filled out, which is great. Everything seems to be working well. Now let's try to log in. So this is our login page where if you are currently have an account, you can fill out your username and password. If you have not, all you have to do is go to this create account button, fill out some information. So let me fill out some information about myself right now. We can make a new account. Oop, I messed this up. My name is Nick Child. I'll make this one word. Nick555. Password. We can then create an account and sign in. Nick555. Type in our password, and we can now view the logged in version of this page. As you can see, you get a message confirming that the login was successful. We now have this button here, create post, where if you're logged in, you can create a post, and we can now like. If you want to comment, we can say, great work, Tyler. He really did a great job. We can even like our own posts, and as you can see, it has threading abilities, which is great. We can do this on every single post. We still have access to this people search bar. Again, CS comes up posts. We can try to search Tyler's post again by anything. The word best, it was in his post, so everything's working out great. Again, we can manage this. Then we have this button comes up now for a personal account, which is the one we just made. This will show all of our posts and comments. Actually, before this, let's make a post. So we go back to the Cheese home page. Let's create a post. Cheese is awesome, and the team is great. So this is probably something that all the FAU students would probably be posting. I don't know why they wouldn't, and as you can see, it comes up. Great. Be the person that likes their own post. And now we're going to navigate to our signed in accounts page. As you can see, this edit profile button comes up on the bottom, so we can fill out this information which isn't currently filled out about us. My name is Nick, exclamation point. Location, I am currently in Boca, Florida. Oops, can't type. We'll be specific. I'm a computer science major. My hobbies include Frisbee, Game of Thrones currently, etc., and making demo videos, of course. Description: I love computers, and also I think that breakfast is the best. I don't know, you can put anything here. You can type a very long string here. And commit those changes. As you can see, it's updated now. We want to edit our profile picture again because we forgot to put a picture up there. Browse. I don't think you guys will be able to see this, but I have my file selector up. I can go into my personal computer, take a picture of myself. Not very flattering. Commit the changes, and look at that. Updated, even updated the posts. We go back home and we can see our post from before now has a profile picture attached to it. What else can we do? We have this help bar that gives you basic information about our website and its functionalities. And that's what we have implemented this summer. We're very proud of our product, and we hope you guys are interested in joining us. Come on down to this website we have up here and make an account and start talking with us. Thank you guys so much. It's been an absolute blast to make this project, and we hope you guys like it as much as we do. Thanks.